Good afternoon to all my dear students. So today we will start a new chapter, that is environment. So what is environment? You know about environment means the trees, rivers, lakes, people around us, all our surroundings is known as environment. Yes or no? Environment includes everything one finds in one's surrounding. Like for example, our class, school building, desk, chairs, trees and playground are all parts of our environment at school. So when you go to school, then all these things you will find nearby you. Yes or no? Can you list what makes up the environment at your home? You will find that the environment at home will be different from that in the school. So the home environment is different and again the school environment is different. Yes or no? So we can say different places have different environments. The environments of a city is different from that of a village. The environment of Antarctica is different from that of the Sahara Desert and so on. The environment of a city is different from that of a village. So in village you can see natural surroundings are there. There are various trees, crops, agricultural fields are there in the villages, and in city areas you can find big buildings, motor vehicles and all. Yes or no? So the environment is different everywhere. As like that we will get some more examples afterwards. Okay. The environment comprises both natural and human components. For example, the environment in our school comprises of plants, students, desks, chairs, etc. So plants are the natural components and desk, chairs, pen, pencil, then box, books and all are the human components. Okay, natural components means the land, sea, water, oceans, all these are natural, and human components are all the things which are made by human beings. Natural environment. Natural environment is a system that supports life. It comprises air, water, land and food, which are found in nature and are essential for living. So natural environment means where there is land, water, air and food is found, which is essential for living. It also provides us with many other things such as natural fibers with which we can make clothes, minerals which we use in our industries, and sources of energy like solar energy. It gives us clothes to wear. Minerals from the bath, from the soil we get mineral. Yes or no? All these things we get from the environment. And also sources of energy like from river, from dams we get electricity. Yes or no? Then from sunlight we get solar energy. Then from wind we get wind energy. So nature provides us different sources of energy. Thus the natural environment fulfills all our needs. In fact, our very existence depends on it. So we are dependent on nature. So the living things are known as the biotic components, and the abiotic components are the non-living things like land, water, air, etc. are the abiotic components. So the environment is made up of both biotic and abiotic. Abiotic means the non-living things, and biotic means the living things. Okay, so this both biological and physical environment make up the environment where we live. Domains of our environment. The natural environment composes of 4 domains. As I told you, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere make up the environment. Lithosphere means the soil. Yes or no? The crust of the earth where we live. Then atmosphere means the air. All this I told you in class 6 only. Then hydrosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere means land. Atmosphere means air. Hydrosphere means the water area, water portion of the earth. And the biosphere means land, water and air. Both these 3 things interact with each other. Yes or no? Land, water and air. These 3 things help us for our living, help us in living of human beings that support life. The land, air, water, these 3 components support the life of human being in the earth. Yes or no? That supporting life is known as the biosphere. Okay, you can see here the biosphere is the narrow zone where air, water and land interact and support life. Where land, water and air together help us in supporting life is known as biosphere. Understood? So you will read this paragraph, then you will know what I am saying here. So you can write this in the blanks, or also you can find it by yourself. Ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? All components of the natural environment interact with and depend on each other. The interaction of living organisms with each other and with their surroundings forms the ecosystem. So people together with, so we live on the land, yes or no? So what we need? We need air, water, food for our survival. So the air, water, food, all these things together with human being, whatever human being need is known as one ecosystem, yes or no? This is our ecosystem of human being. So when you go in water, then fish need different, the environment inside the sea will found different than the environment outside, yes or no? Inside the sea it is different, and on the land the environment is different. So inside the sea, the fish, the small trees, stones, water, they form one ecosystem, yes or no? Again human being make one ecosystem on outside the water areas, that is on land human being make different ecosystem. Okay, so there are different kind of ecosystem. The interaction between the different components of an ecosystem is such that they create a self-sufficient unit. Land, vegetation, living organisms are different in different places. Therefore, we find different types of ecosystem in forest, desert and oceans. Yes, you will find different environment in deserts. You will also find different environment inside the ocean. Then in forest areas, you will find different environment. So, where we have different kind of ecosystem in different areas. Okay, next is human environment. So human environment I will start in the next class. You read the chapter at home today, you will understand it because it is very easy. Okay, so read the chapter. Next day I will explain from here, and also I will give you the question answers. Okay, you try to do the fill in the blanks by yourself. Thank you for today.